What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over Baby Doge, talking about how we could possibly be getting listed on a lot of different exchanges very soon, in the one we just now got listed on today. So hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want automated trading indicators, check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And also, if you want 10% off all your trading fees with MEXC Global, definitely sign up with the link in the description. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Let's get straight to it. So, first things first, look at this right here. We're going to be going over the technical analysis for Baby Doge, but I mentioned in my previous video how the pullback was inevitable. I mentioned these levels that we're pulling back to now, so expect it to continue to go down until we at least get down here to about 2.9. So right now we're at 3046, so expect us to get to 2.9. But before we even go over that, let's talk about our exchange listing. So look at this. Baby Doge just now got listed pretty much to automatic, or not automatic, but atomic wallet.io. So this is a pretty big listing for us. Atomic Wallet is pretty big out there in the DeFi space. 92.3k followers here for this wallet right here, DeFi wallet. This is pretty big. You know, this is a start to getting listed on centralized exchanges. Once all the different DeFi wallets start listing us, you're going to start seeing the centralized exchanges following along. So this is pretty big. You can see here, Atomic Wallet has now about 92.3k followers here on Twitter. You know, they probably have even more users on their platform. So that's pretty big that they're listing Baby Doge. And we're probably going to get a lot of these different DeFi wallets starting to list Baby Doge. And like everyone says in crypto, not your keys, not your crypto, or not, something like that. But yeah, this is your keys. This is your wallet. Whenever you have a software wallet, whenever you have a DeFi wallet, it's pretty much your crypto. So a really big thing you got to think about with these different crypto platforms, a lot of the centralized exchanges aren't really as secure as a DeFi wallet. Now, the DeFi wallets might not be as secure as you want it to be if you don't have good OPSEC, as I think they call it, something like that. But you just have to have really good security protocols. Do not open links that are malicious. Do not open random links that are sent to you. Don't sign into any random device that you've never used before. And also, if there's a lot of different security protocols with this. So I can go on and on and on and on with different security protocols. I may make a whole video about that, but really you just don't want to click on random links and stuff like that. And also, don't even sign your wallet into like random websites. Like if it's just some random website that says connect your wallet, don't do that. But yeah, there's a lot with it. But yeah, this is pretty good that we're getting listed onto this. Next would probably be some more DeFi wallets. And then eventually we'll start getting smaller exchanges, like we got Voyager. There's a lot of different smaller exchanges out there. Imagine Voyager listing Baby Doge. Imagine all these other smaller exchanges listing Baby Doge. So this is possible. One of the first ones was KuCoin that listed sheep. So imagine KuCoin listing sheep. Imagine the different avenues we have with Baby Doge inside of KuCoin. Like that'd be huge. So we can eventually get listed to stuff like this. And remember, whenever KuCoin does their little technical analysis, they do it for coins typically that they have listed on their platform, but they don't have Baby Doge listed on their platform, yet their people are doing technical analysis for Baby Doge on their platform. Like you can see all these on KuCoin, but you're not going to see Baby Doge on KuCoin. So the fact that their people are actually doing their analysts are actually doing technical analysis on Baby Doge, that's pretty big. And there's about to be another technical analysis from KuCoin for Baby Doge on April 1st. So that's about to be pretty big. It says popular meme coin analysis. So that's going to be really huge. You already know the whole Baby Doge army is going to start commenting on this heavy, trying to get Baby Doge on there. So yeah, the whole KuCoin or the whole Baby Doge army is going to be commenting all this good stuff here for Baby Doge on there. So as you can see, everybody here is just posting Baby Doge, Baby Doge, Baby Doge. There's some Floki too, but mainly it's Baby Doge. So Floki and Baby Doge on KuCoin. That's what people really want to see here. So let's see which one gets listed in the future. But I don't know if Floki's already on there. But yeah, I definitely want to see Baby Doge on there. But moving on from there, not only do we have Baby Doge being, pretty much promoted by KuCoin, but the person who actually does the analysis for Baby Doge on KuCoin is actually following Baby Doge. So you can see over here, they're only following 25 people, one of them being Baby Doge. So the fact that they're following Baby Doge, it could say that Baby Doge really likes, I mean, KuCoin really likes Baby Doge. So we'll see about that. We'll see if they actually end up listing Baby Doge. Now, moving on from there, there's a lot of different platforms. Yesterday, if you watched my previous video yesterday, you'll know about the Binance rumors. We should be getting listed on Binance very soon. That's what the rumors are saying. And we were trending on Binance as well. So as you can see here, Baby Doge number 9 trending on Binance. So I don't know. It's inevitable for Baby Doge to get listed on something like this. We just got to wait and just wait it out and see what happens eventually. Now, not only Binance, remember, we have a bunch of smaller exchanges as well as larger exchanges. We got not MetaMask here, but we got Coinbase for one of the larger exchanges. We got all these other smaller exchanges that could also be listing us. But moving on from there, I want to talk about something else here with Baby Doge, which is going to be our technical analysis. So as we get listed on more and more exchanges, our price should continue to gain. People are probably wondering why the price for Baby Doge is going down when we just got listed to Atomic Wallet. Atomic Wallet isn't big enough exchange for Baby Doge to just start taking off. It's actually a DeFi wallet, so there's different avenues to actually get into Baby Doge from a DeFi wallet. A lot of people that aren't familiar with crypto don't trust the security of DeFi wallets, so you're not going to see amateurs getting Atomic Wallet and getting Baby Doge through it. But you will see amateurs getting Binance and getting Baby Doge through Binance, or amateurs getting Coinbase, getting Baby Doge through Coinbase, or amateurs getting Kraken or Voyager or KuCoin or any of these other exchanges. And that's probably the better avenue for Baby Doge to get listed to these centralized exchanges, because they're the ones where the amateur people are going to be using to get in on. Like, we already got all the pros that we can inside of crypto that are into Baby Doge inside of Baby Doge. Right now, we need to get the beginners of crypto into Baby Doge. And that's how Sheep started pumping crazy, because when KuCoin finally listed Sheep, like it started going crazy. And then everything else started to follow after that. So that's what we could see there. Now, like I said, the technical analysis here, I mentioned yesterday that we're going to have this dip. Watch that video from yesterday. This whole area was red, showing that we had so much less demand. We had so much resistance. It did not want to stay above 3.3 at all. And what happened, we pretty much pulled back because of that. It did not want to stay above 3.3. So we pulled back. We still have some more room to pull back. You can see here, all these candlesticks, they're still red, which means that there's still selling happening here inside Baby Doge. You can even see here on the oscillator, more selling is starting to pop up here. And over here, you can see that the bears are in the 24-hour market control by 80% for Baby Doge. So we're still bearish. We still have that potential to go down here with Baby Doge. Like I said, 2.9 is probably going to be that area that you want to watch out for. That's where we had more demand for Baby Doge. So right around here at 2.9, we should be seeing some good levels here for Baby Doge. So definitely prepare for that. Prepare for the best, prepare for the worst, but prepare for something. That's what we need to be looking at, because we know something is going to happen here with Baby Doge. Now, looking over here from a different perspective, I could do the Fibonacci retracement for Baby Doge, but it's really not going to be too helpful. But because, like, let's face it, none of us are out here trying to trade Baby Doge. We're really not trying to do that. That's really not a smart idea to try to trade something like Baby Doge. What you want to do is, find the best areas to get into Baby Doge, like the best buying areas. Now, if we're going to look at Fibonacci retracements and stuff like that, yeah, Baby Doge just now broke down below a level that, was really significant for us. In the next level that we're probably going to end up hitting here with Baby Doge, like I said, 2.9. Eventually, it's going to happen. We're still slowly but surely going down to 2.9. And look right here. We were at this area for so long. Baby Doge really wanted to break below this, and it did it with flying colors. So the next area that you really want to look at for Baby Doge is 2.9. And then after that, if it continues to go down, then you're probably going to see like a 2.6 or 2.8 area forming for Baby Doge. Now, looking at it from that perspective, like, some people are probably like, I don't want to see Baby Doge go down to 2.6 or 2.8 or something like that. But I'm not really looking at it from that perspective. So I'm looking at it from the long-term perspective. Let's go over to the 4-hour chart. When you see where we're going on the 4-hour chart, like, you see the selling has not stopped at all. So like I said, with the Fibonacci retracement, it showed pretty much around 2.7, 2.6 is where we're going to stop here with Baby Doge. But this area is heavy demand for Baby Doge, all from about 2.950 all the way down here to about 2.750. So there's huge demand for Baby Doge between those levels. So don't really expect Baby Doge to go too far below that. And even if it did, we still have more demand for Baby Doge around 2.5. So we still have that potential here. So I'm just waiting right now for Baby Doge to continue to pull back here. I'm probably going to start buying the dip around about 2.8, and that's probably where I'm going to personally be buying the dip around 2.8, 2.9, somewhere around there. Probably not even going to wait to 2.7 because that's the complete, not complete bottom, but it's the bottom of this supply and demand area. So that's where I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait around this area. And then I'll put some more money in the baby Doge and watch us continue to rise. So the next area for baby Doge to rise to after we can finally, break out of there, obviously would be this area here. And we talked about that multiple times with the baby Doge. So we have a lot of different stuff that we got to do with baby Doge to get out of the red waters here. But right now, we had a nice pump with baby Doge. So we just got to be grateful for that. We had a pretty nice pump, got rejected when we were trying to get above 3.3, or not 3.3, but trying to get above 3.6 all the way up to here to 3.8. So that would be our next levels that we need to try to break. But like I said, not a financial advisor, another financial advisor. We're just kind of speculating on where baby Doge could possibly go after this. But just think about what could happen when we get these major listings. That's the main thing that people need to keep on their mind. These major listings is what's really going to bring baby Doge to another level in the stratosphere. But anyways, look over here, 5.7% in the last 24 hours is what we're down by. But we're still up 10% in the last 14 days, 7.5% in the last 7 days, and only down 1.8% in the last 30 days. So baby Doge has a lot of upside potential. And when you look at how much we're only up by 3,200% inside the last 10 months. So if you think about it, baby Doge being out for, when that's since the all-time high, but baby Doge being out for almost 1 year, not even a full year yet. If you look at it, baby Doge has really started around June, and now we're about April, right? Well, April tomorrow. So if you think about it, baby Doge is still not at its peak. And if you look at this chart, like literally, we get another leg up every single time we have a pump. The lows are always becoming higher than what they previously were. Look, pump, higher low, pump, higher low. So the next pump is probably going to bring us above our previous all-time high, or maybe like halfway to it, kind of like how I did here. And then it'll pretty much, have a higher low after that. But let's go ahead and look at the day chart, the 1D chart. That's how they call it here. So when you look at the 1-day chart, you pretty much see what I was talking about there on CoinGecko, but you see it in a better perspective here. So what we're going to see here for baby Doge, we're pretty much going to see the same thing that happened here. So look, you see that we had that pump. It's not going to show you at the beginning because it wasn't on trading view at the beginning. But what you're going to see here is a pump for baby Doge leveled out right there. Pump for baby Doge for here, leveling out here. And then the next pump, you're going to see it level out again. But that next level is pretty much going to be way different than what we're at right now. So it's really going to end up probably doing something like this, pumping up to about 5.1 or something, almost getting to our all-time high. But you can see here, this red area shows less demand because that's our supply and demand area. So when you see the supply and demand area of less demand, just know that when we hit that supply and demand of less demand, we're more than likely going to have a pullback. So you just want to be aware of that. So this is what I mean by having a pullback when you hit that less demand area. So we go here for 2.9, or well, we're at 3.0, pretty much hitting 2.9. And we're going to probably get rejected here around 4.5. And then we're probably going to do a little bit of a pullback down to probably like 3.4 because we had, or 3.6 because we had resistance at 3.6. And then we'll probably end up stopping there before we start pumping. Kind of like how we did here. We started to pump. We didn't really get past our all the way up there, that all-time high. Then we kind of pulled back, and then we pumped, and then we got way past that area. So this is just all speculation, like I said, but this is good speculation because it pretty much shows you where baby Doge has the most demand at. And we have a lot of demand down here at not 1.8, but I wanted to show over here at about 2.5, 2.4. Now, I did just now see that 1.8 spot. And I know a lot of people are probably like, why did you even say 1.8? I'll say why I said 1.8. The green spot over here at 1.8 pretty much shows that we have lots of demand for baby Doge down there, which means that's a huge supply and demand area. So if baby Doge starts to sell off and we break 2.5, and like I know I've been saying 2.5 is a really low point for baby Doge, it's like a bottom point. Not 2.5, but all the way down here like 1.3 and 1.4. That's really where we have like the most demand for baby Doge, obviously, because it's like the lowest amount for baby Doge that we've had in a while. But just think about the huge buying pressure that we had the second we hit this Fibonacci retracement over here of 1360. 1370 really. The second we hit 1370, so many people started to buy baby Doge. Like that's what really sent us on that rally to our all-time high because we hit 1370. So obviously that was a lower low for us, and we've already set our higher lows. And as we continue to burn more coins, it's going to be very hard for us to get to a certain level, like a certain level on the downside. So it's probably not even possible for Baby Doge to hit 1.3 anytime soon, because it's just the amount we've grown, the amount of new holders and the diamond hand holders that we've actually brought in is going to be very hard for Baby Doge to get that low. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to go over this and let you all know my personal opinions on where Baby Doge is about to go and what our exchanges would do for Baby Doge. This is going to help us out immensely. And anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Remember, as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.